Bakentu Menteri Rang Badu Kari Bandan Kajing Sok, la pelat yaki projek penroy bakot hadu nyau hajar lai spak klur tengka ha Manipur. Peli Menteri Rang Badu Kari lang baka video conference yaki projek penroy ha Mizoram bakot hadu kandai hajar klur bat kawe lama ban peli yakalinti rel baningkong ban penyaso syado aizol. Klat no Menteri Rang Ba Barim Gejala Dr. Didi Lapang las nginingkong kejinglet on tap ban sedang na yengsa bat buat pat da kejinglet buram khaddu da Gejala Hamadan student Jayau. Bat penlong katura ya ke talent han na kabenta ki kena elekai Gymnastics haswa ke Limpung National Games arhajar alpunyau ya shementa palat sau pongwat ki kena ha padeng kerta san hadu shi postnem. Ki khubor ki babania Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi hagajing let jong u sha chura Chandpur Manipur ula banjur baka sok kasan kalong umaudong ba ke jela kan ki oshaprang habakentu ya barok ki kenhun baki deban bu ya ka shongsuk shongsngan upenti kena baka sarkar pedeng kaya le bandon kajingya kren bat kajingya buram markaliang ya kani ula kren hakasngi balalet bu ya umau nongrem na kabenta ki khat khandai tali ki project karoi kapar ba shongdor hadu nyau hajar lai spa klur tingka kentup ya kajing shna surok haki jaka sor ki surok ba national highway kinala bat ki hostel jong ki kenthei umodi ula ai kajingya ro ya ka Manipur ba kadai ke jella jong ki breu ki baslur bat upaya ban kentiu ya kari kajing temu jong kini ki sen jam traikam kalong ban kentiu ya ki jing tei bat ka kot ka khia ha kathan.
बीते 11 वर्षों में नॉर्थ ईस्ट में दशकों से चल रहे अनेक विवाद, अनेक संघर्ष समाप्त हुए हैं। लोगों ने शांति का रास्ता चुना है, विकास को प्राथमिकता दी है। मुझे संतोष है कि हाल ही में हिल्स और वैली में अलग-अलग ग्रुप्स के साथ समझौतों के लिए बातचीत की शुरुआत हुई है। ये भारत सरकार के उन प्रयासों का हिस्सा है जिसमें संवाद, सम्मान और आपसी समझ को महत्व देते हुए शांति की स्थापना के लिए काम किया जा रहा है।
Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ula pli pat ba lengba ka video conference yaki project penroy bakot hadu khandai hajar klur ha aizol Mizoram la pleru ya kalinti rel bairabi sairang kabalong kadak jong maumer bansa kan mau ha ka history kane ka project linti rel ka basong dor palat pra hajar klur tingka kan penyaso ya ka nongba ka Mizoram sha ki linti rel jong ka India ha ka sien ka baningkong ka banwanra ya ka jing shngan bat kalet kawan ka baduna dor Modi ula yaro bakani ka jingjob kalong kum ka jingkala na kabenta kathan da ka baong ba wat la ka jaka kalong ka bab jinjar Henry lala ban pendep ya ka project.
Friend, Mizoram is blessed with talented youth. Our work is to empower them. Our government has already started 11 Eklavya residential schools here. Work is going to start 6 more schools. Our Northeast is also becoming a major hub for startups. I'm happy that around 4,500 startups and 25 incubators are operating in the region. Young people of Mizoram are actively joining this movement and creating new opportunities for themselves and others.
Menteri Rang Ba Barim Gejala Dr. Donwa Detwelson Lapang ya kabala jokot iet umahe bat ubala sha penkup ya kanam jong ukpa karib hoi district ula klat no hanin kasngi thoding ha Bethany Hospital hakarta bakhandai phun riu uba Lapang ula longkum urat ba hakasan perthei Gejala Meghalaya uba Lapang ula longkum Menteri Rang Ba la sansin bat ulami khmat na nongpo constituency hadu South Post nem kajinglet on tap kan long la singing kong na yeng sa jong u hala shumer ha kaba on sa penbut pat da kejingle buram khatdu da kejela ya kaba on penlong Hamadan student Jayau but on tep ya ka met jong u ha ulum jing tep kabalang Presbyterian Jayau ka sarkar jela kala penbena ya kejing yam brio balai sngi but kejing penher ya ka lama shiteng but ban pensange shwai kinu kejingle sngo bha jong ka sarkar menteri rang ba kejela u Konrad ke sangma ulaong ba kejing klat jong ba lapang ka de kejing du ka ba kraw but ula kren ru shapang kejing de ka ba jan jong uba lapang bat ukpa jong u upurno sangma bam kuai hadwar ublei kijing sngaulem kidang yai tu na keleng gejela na kabenta uni unong yalam ubakraw ubala penwan dor ya kasan hima ha gejela.
We as a state have lost one of our tallest leaders and a person who has immensely contributed to the state as a whole. Sir Lapang, of course, has been a very tall figure, a person who we have all looked up to, and his relationship with my late father is something that is very, very special to me. But it's a great loss, even for not just from the state point of view, but from my personal point of view also. It's a great loss, and I express my deepest condolences to the family members, and I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to all the family members and all His followers and all His leaders to bear this great loss that we all have had.
O MLA ka nongpo uba Meryl Bonds im bat ka Ribhoy Youth Federation kila penpau kajing sngosi ka bakraw halor kajing klat no jong Dr. Didi Lapang o menteri rang ba barim ka jela Meghalaya bat unong seng jong ka RBYF o bala klat no hakarta ka bakhandai phundiu snem la ai burom kum ukpa ka Ribhoy o Dr. Lapang ula seng ya ka Federation hakasnem shi hajar khandai spa nyop khandai kabla kenjo menta sha ka sau phundiu snem kajing trekam jong ka uba sim but working president ka RBYF uba Leander Nongshli kila ong kajing klat no jong u kade kajing du ka bakraw ka Federation kala pha ya ka khubor sngaulem shaki bahayeng basem bat ki ba ye bathon jong u bat ki dwairu ba unyo kajing ja tha junom da ka ba ki penpau ru bakin yai buot ya ki sen jam jong u lengba kajing IT lut ban trei na ka benta ki brio jong ka Ribhoy
kum u nong kmat na ka nong po konsensi uba menta ngasmo kade kajing du ka bakraw jungi hikum ka nang po konsensi bat ka them Ribhoy hi borok koi bat ka jelai borok koi halok ka jing klat no ka jungi menin bat ba ngaso ban pha ka jing solong ya ka ying ka sem ka jungi ba ublei un ai ka jing ja thai ya ka men sim ka jungi me lapang
ni penpau ya ka jing sosi ka bakraw halor ka jing klat no jong imahe Dr. Didi Lapang nak ne ka slap thai minit hadin bangyo jintip bai mahe bansu nidu komisin ka bakraw hakane ka them ka dong Ribhoy jini khantam ya ka Meghalaya state brokawai
Kadba ka Mizoram kadang rakhe ya kejing yo ya kalinti rel hanong ba aizol kanong ba Shillong ka jela Meghalaya pat kadang sa klem kijing penyaso linti rel ha ka ba ki kenhuan seng bhalang harilom Khasi ba jantia ki persha na mar kejing ting yo bamla ban pet ngor ya kejing wan rong kerthep ki bar jela menteri ketenat ki kam jungok kai uba pol lingdo ula banjur halor kejing don kam ban don lang ka roy kapar ringkat kejing penek pensa ya kajat ben riu ula penpau ba menteri rang ba ula kren halor kejing dawa ya inner line permit haka jingalang badang shen bat menteri ki kampo yeng ka sarkar pedeng uba lingdo ula ong ba sisien balala ban pintre kam ya ka ILP on sala ban bo ya jing yada bat kane kala ban play ya kala ban penyar ya ki lenti rel klem kano ka jing persha
has to be a fine balance between economic growth and demographic balance. One cannot be compromised at the cost of the other. As recently as 2 weeks back, the Honorable Chief Minister has again met Union Home Minister to reiterate the government's stand on the ILP. And that shows the level of commitment we have to introducing ILP. And once that is agreed, we can always have a system which is structured to suit Meghalaya's needs.
Kaseng Hinyau Trap Youth Council kalapan pau ya kajing sngokia halor kajing penslam bakha kha ya kajing puot ya kinong pang Hashalong Civil Hospital da ka bakadau bakak ta jur ya kilong yeng ki baduna ka yo ka kod balalam khmat da president ke HYC uba Roy Kupar Sinrem kit khot kaseng kilai kendu ya joint director of health services but surgeon superintendent bandawa bantuklar mardor kibor badek mi jong ka hospital kila kubor ya kajing da ka baong bakajing penslam ya kajing puot kalong namar baka don tang kawe ka jaka put hapo ko hospital ka bahab ban syakripat ya kitanat baper kila penti kena ya ke HYC baki dang shim ya kilat kilenti ban pen bha ya ka jingbo ya kisngi ban put bat ban penduna ya ka jing pen sange.
Today we have come to meet the SS of Civil Hospital Shillong regarding complaints that we have received from patients who are undergoing treatment in Civil Hospital Shillong. This is not the first complaint that we have received. During the last 2-3 months also, some patients have called us informing that the civil hospital has scheduled for the operation for a particular patient. And then when that day comes, when the day of operation comes, the hospital management inform them that the operation cannot be taken up on that particular day, and they send back the particular patient home. And it is not only one time. That same patient has to come 2 or 3 times to Civil Hospital Shillong just for that particular operation. So if the civil hospital scheduled for a particular operation, it has to be done on that particular day.
Ka Rotary Club Orchid City Shillong but ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage kalala ban penkut no ya ka Teachers Effectiveness Workshop ba arsngi hinen ka sngi ha DC Office Multipurpose Hall ha East and West Khasi Hills District kani ka sin jam ka thmu ban pen bha ya ki kam ai jing hikai ban kentiu ya ka jing ya day bat ki samla bat pen roy ya ka jing pule ka ba ya trailang ka District School Education Officer ka Ela Begum Laskar ka balaya shimmenta kum ka kongsan kala yaro ya ka jing pen kala dur jong kani ka program da ka baong baka penkop bor ya kinong ai jing hikai da ka bor bala pen thamai ka but ba thamai baka jing sngo thu ka ba kham jen liu ya ka jing thmu ka District Institute of Education and Training That Lasken West Giant Hills kala rakhe ya ka Jubilee Rupa ha ka khat ar tarik unai lur ka barakhe ya ka jingdap arpusan snem jong ka jing shakri ha ka ba ai jing hikai pentebit ya kinong hikai ha ka de ka jing rakhe lawanya shimbenta de ikong RS Manners Director ka Educational Research and Training Meghalaya kum ikong san bat uba pilhut Executive Engineer ka PWD Building kum usimbut kongsan ikong Manners ila play ya umau sa ken mau bat yaro ya ka jingya linti jong ka diet na ka BTC syaka jaka pule ka bakiu bha da ka ba matphang ya ka jing thmu ha ka laway na ka benta ka jaka tray kam ba bahatam I principal I Dr. B Danibha Perbot ila pen kan mau halor ka jingla jong ka ne ka jaka pule banwan ra ya ka jing kala ha ka ne ka jingya lang kila don ki program tan rai bat ki jing ai khuble ya ki samla pule ki bla wan shakmat ha ka batch jong snem arhajar arphulai arpusan
I really appreciate and see and really I'm humble to be amidst you all. Even though we are sitting there in the directorate, you are working so hard at your level, at your capacity, and in such a beautiful place. You are being nestled along with nature, you are working along with nature, and amidst your serene mind, serene soul, you are able to guide the students. So your dedication since the inception of BTC up to the present upgrade of Diet Thalaskine, and I hope up to the upgradation of Center of Excellence.
Ka New Nongstoin Sports Social and Cultural Club klarakhe ya ka jing job jong ki lai phulai ngut ki samla pule ki ba pas bha na ka shnong New Nongstoin ha ka jing alang pen ko burom ba kerpang ban ithu ya ka jing job jong ki ha ka examen ba pher na do ka SSLC HSSLC graduate postgraduate bat ha do ki doctorate level u Dr. Jurisman Yopniau MDC ka Nongstoin constituency ulai shimmenta ha ka ni ka jing alang kum ukongsan harangkat uba Eric Harsentio kum usim buat kongsan. Ki kenrem ki lendan bakin top yau chairman ka KHADC uba strong pillar karjana barus im ka hima nongston upa EPs kilai shibmenta ha kani kesngi.
Mangi nilong ibiyay solisitong nilong ibiyay pendan kecumak kecung oblay klem kecing solisitong tama prosesor nakatagano nakentu yengi isamla mangi balong ibu solisitong ramal kenting balong there is no substitution for hard work kadesisha larangin solisitong nginong long dibecok agak
Tura Gymnastics Association hapok ka Meghalaya Gymnastics Association kalapan long ya ka talent identification program mentakas ngi ha indoor stadium hawa kana Tura ban ito ya ki kena ki badan sap nakabenta ka jingile ka gymnastic nakabenta ka national games balai pukandai kaban long ha Meghalaya ha usnem arhajar arpunyo palat saw pungut ki kena ki bah padang kirta san hadu si postnem kilaiwan ya shibmenta ha kanika program u president ka TGA u Ronish M Marak ula yaro ya kanika jingwan ya shimbenta jong ki kena katba u head coach ke MGA u changa mayum Prithilal Singh ula penpaw ya gajing kermen halor gajing la jong kathan u working president ke MGA u Jibon Singh ar Marak ula penksan ya gajing tmu ai jing hikai ki bajrong ban penkre ya kinong job jong kari ha kalawe kinong ele kai bela jet ken yo ya gajing hikai pentebet bakham ha haki jaka bela bu kerpang.
It is for promote the gymnastics of the Meghalaya state. So it is the first time in my life in the come to here. All the association are arranging to select this talent hunt for those who are coming the children, motor ability, strength, speed, strength, agility, coordination like this. They are putting. I'm putting the only 5 elements here. After this selection, then they will arrange the center of the training center. Then we'll start the training, gymnastic training.
Mentangin ya pet ya kajing long jingman kasun meneng hatura kajing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius bar kajing shet kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau mentakas ni kalong nyopun rio nakashispa kajing hap slap kalong 10 millimeters haba pai pa chanong ba shilong kajing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius bar kajing shet kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau mentakas ni kalong prapawe nakashispa kajing hap slap kalong 10 rio millimeters kat ba jowai pat kajing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius bar kajing shet kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau matakas ngi kalong prapulai na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong khandai millimeters kala bandon kajing hap slap bajing tiat uperthat haki babun ki jaka hatura shalong bat jowai shwaban poi shaka bukut jong ka thup khobor ngi nyapet biang sashi sian ki mat bakongsan Kentu Menteri Rang Badu Kari Bandon Kajing Suk, lapelat yaki projek penroy bakot hadu nyau hajar lai spak klur tingka ha Manipur. Peli Menteri Rang Badu Kari lengbaka video conference yaki projek penroy ha Mizoram bakot hadu khandai hajar klur bat kawe lama ban peli yaki lintirel baningkong ban penyasok shado aizol. Klat no Menteri Rang Ba Barim Gejelau Dr. Didi Lapang la singining kong gejing let on tap ban sedang na yengsa bat buat pat da gejing let buram khatdu da gejela Hamadan student Jayau. Bat penlong katura ya ka talent han nakabenta ki kena elek kai gymnastics haswa ka Limpung National Games arhajar arpunyau ya shimenta palat sau pungut ki kena hapadang kerta san hadu shi postnem. Teparlok katung ila poi syaga bakut jong katup kubor jengi mentaka janmiet hadu bang dia syambiang bat pila syai kesngi keblei pi baro.
This is Doordarshan and you are watching Dede Shalom.